Hello, welcome to section 4, creating a registry key on a remote machine. In this video, we'll have a look at designing our solution. So specifically, we will have a look at the script flow in our code. So this is a small diagram to represent our script flow. It will all start with a input list of servers, a username, whose registry HKey current user hive we want to edit, and the value that we want to set. There's all this information. Our script will take all that information, will convert the username, rather will resolve the username to a security identifier, the SID. It will then hook into the HKey current user and create a registry hive we tell it to do, and it will then create registry key itself with the value set. So this was just a quick script flow overview, something very simple. Basically, all we have to do now is just to make it work.